नमस्ते दोस्तों। स्वागत है आपका आज के डेली इंग्लिश लर्निंग क्लास में। आज हम सीखेंगे एक सिंपल और यूज़फुल टॉपिक। मेरे साथ रिपीट कीजिए और कॉन्फिडेंट इंग्लिश बोलना स्टार्ट कीजिए।
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
What about you?
What about you?
I am good too.
I am good too.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am playing a game.
I am playing a game.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am learning English.
I am learning English.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
I am going to the market.
I am going to school.
I am going to school.
I am going to the park.
I am going to the park.
Let's go together.
Let's go together.
Come with me.
Come with me.
Let's play outside.
Let's play outside.
Shall we go for a walk?
Shall we go for a walk?
Do you want to eat something?
Do you want to eat something?
Yes, I want to eat an ice cream.
Yes, I want to eat an ice cream.
No, I am not hungry.
No, I am not hungry.
Do you like tea?
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Yes, I like tea.
No, I like coffee.
No, I like coffee.
What do you like?
What do you like?
I like fruits.
I like fruits.
I like to play cricket.
I like to play cricket.
I like to read books.
I like to read books.
I like to sing songs.
I like to sing songs.
I like to dance.
I like to dance.
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
My hobby is painting.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is playing football.
My hobby is playing football.
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite food is pizza.
Who is your best friend?
Who is your best friend?
You are my best friend.
You are my best friend.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Let's meet in the evening.
Let's meet in the evening.
Call me later.
Call me later.
I will wait for you.
I will wait for you.
Don't be late.
Don't be late.
Let's study together.
Let's study together.
दोस्तों, एक छोटा सा टास्क, नीचे कमेंट करके लिखिए जो सेंटेंस आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा और प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें ताकि आपको रोज़ाना इंग्लिश लर्निंग वीडियोस मिलते रहें। धन्यवाद।